Good morning. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. And the topic for today's discussion is We don't help in cheating, please work hard. Ladies and gentlemen, most of the times when parents go to any college for attending some counseling session, they want their child to do a particular kind of course from that college. They meet the counseling team, they try to understand what types of courses are happening in that college, and then they say that where they want their child to be, what course they want their child to opt. After having initial discussions regarding the kind of college and the fees structure, they finally ask this one question to the counseling team, and the question is how much money you will charge extra to get it ensured that my child scores good percentage in every semester examination. Straightforward saying, money, how much extra money you require as a bribe to ensure that my child scores good in every semester examination. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what kind of attitude is this? Parents are directly asking the counseling team that if you require extra money, apart from the fees structure of the college, we will pay you that extra amount. You just need to ensure that my child qualifies every semester examination. It's a kind of bribing, ladies and gentlemen. It's a crime. How parents can ever ask such kind of illogical question? It clearly means that you only want a degree for your child. You don't want your child to be a knowledgeable person, to be an intelligent person. And sometimes when the counseling team asks that why such kind of illogical things the parents are asking, they again have a very illogical explanation for this. They say that, sir, ma'am, our friends and relatives are already working in great organizations. Our child will not have to appear in any kind of interview. We are having so much links and we can get our child settled in great organizations. We have friends and relatives working in great organizations, so he will not have to follow the hectic procedure of any kind of interview in GD, and he will directly be the part of that organization. We just want a certificate, and that's why we are asking that how much extra you will charge to get it ensured that my child qualifies in a proper way in every semester examination. Now, this is the mentality of parents, ladies and gentlemen. Can you imagine someone is coming in a college for his child's admission and talking like this? How parents can ever talk like this? They don't want their children to become intelligent. They don't want their children to become knowledgeable. They want their children to qualify the examination anyhow, and then they are having some friend and relative sitting in a great organization who will ensure a good quality job for their child. What kind of careless attitude is this? And what kind of illogical attitude is this? But it will always backfire, ladies and gentlemen, if you think that your child, after qualifying the semester examination anyhow, he gets higher percentage anyhow, and then anyhow, by any kind of approach, you put him in a great organization. Believe me, he will survive in that organization only for 1 month or 1.5 months, not more than that. Not more than that, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because initial few months, the company spends in training the employees. So as long as your child is getting some kind of training, everything is fine. But when your child will actually start working in that organization on his own, he will not be able to work properly, ladies and gentlemen, because your child is not having any knowledge. You got him a particular college by some kind of approach, by some kind of donation, illogical things. After joining the college, he will show the same kind of attitude towards its studies. He will show the same kind of attitude towards his studies, ladies and gentlemen. And he will try to qualify every semester examination anyhow by cheating and by other such methods. And as you have already told that you are having some person in big corporate who will ensure job for your child, definitely your child will also get a job. but he will not be able to survive in that job for more than 2 to 3 months. And believe me, not only he will be able to survive, he will be fired from that organization, and believe me, he will never be able to qualify the interview of any other industry ever in his life. He will never be able to qualify the interview of any other industry ever in his life. He will always remain an unemployed person. Why? Because he is not having knowledge to qualify the interview. He is not having knowledge to qualify the interview. He qualified the semester examination by unfair means, and in his first job, he took forward the same kind of useless attitude. He never worked hard in the organization that he got. He showed the same kind of illogical attitude, non-caring attitude, and because of this non-caring attitude, he was fired from the organization. How can you believe that he will ever qualify the interview of any other organization? Because showing a careless attitude has now become a part of his personality, has now become a part of his behavior, his psychology, and that is never going to change, ladies and gentlemen, because habits develop consistently. They develop gradually, right from the initial stage of your life when you are students. So if you are following a careless attitude in your student life, you will take forward the same careless attitude when you become real professionals. And then showing a careless attitude, illogical attitude becomes your overall personality, and you never achieve success in your life. That's why parents try to understand this thing during counseling session whenever you are taking your child to any college, to check that what types of courses are happening in that college and which course is exactly suitable for your child. Try to analyze that what kind of college it is. What is the campus placements facility offered by the college? How is the library of the college? How is the hostel arrangement of the college? How is the canteen arrangement of the college? What is the qualification of the professors of the college? Try to concentrate on these things, because ultimately these are the things which will help your child as long as he is in that college. If there are qualified professors, your child can take help from them. If the food facility is good, you don't have to worry for your child's health. If hostel facility is good, you don't have to worry about your child's well-being. If placement facility is good, you don't have to worry about your child's future. These are the things on which parents should concentrate when they bring their child to a college for admission. Never concentrate on illogical things that somehow college should help your child in qualifying the examination. You are degrading the life of your own child yourself. Please concentrate on this aspect, ladies and gentlemen. This is very crucial. So that's all for today. I wanted to discuss with you. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that every time you can get the instant notification of all my latest videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day.